By now, I'm sure a bunch of people are tired of seeing this little guy around. He blew up just like Beanie Babies. And I didn't even want to give in and buy one, but this collab right here, I love Coke, so I was like, I gotta get me one. And these look pretty dope. So either one I get, I'll be happy with. But I want that one, and that one, and that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And obviously the secret, which it looks like he's on a snowmobile. Not sure, but let's see how my luck is today. Pop Mart, you're always selling crack, I swear. Alright, and moment of truth. Shut the fuck up. Did I... Wait, what? No, wait, I'm lost. Okay, hold on. I gotta zoom in. Did I get the... Is this a... Oh my god, is this... Yeah. I'm speechless. Is this a secret? Oh, is this one? I'm like, did I get the secret? Like, this totally tricked me. But this is fucking cool. He has a dinosaur tail? I had no idea he had a tail. Thought he was tailless. Oh, this tricked me. This tricked me. I was like, holy shit, I got the secret. That's crazy. All right. I'm happy. It's a nice collab. Coca-Cola.